Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. We are at a driveway sealing today. Driveway and pool deck actually. Pretty big one. Let me walk around and show you what we got. Alright, so here's a front driveway. The previous sealer doesn't look too bad. It's actually got a bit of shine on it. But the problem is the weeds. There's a lot of weeds coming up here. We got some ant issues through there. As you can see, there's just a lot of weeds. The sand is all gone on this. Okay, and then here's the pool deck around the back. We're doing that. This little statue, he weighs he's got to weigh 800 pounds, so we're just going to wrap him and then in plastic, and then we'll just seal around him. And this area under here, you see we got a lot of weeds back in this area as well, and they're getting pretty high. That's why it's real important to get that sand, that flood joint in there. That sand gets rock hard, and it helps prevent these weeds from popping back up so quickly. Okay, so that's our project here for this morning, so let's get busy. Alright, so we're all wrapped up here for today. We got everything cleaned. 1, 2, 3 cleaning process. Got everything prepped, so tomorrow we'll put the sand down and lay the sealer. Looks better already. Didn't realize how dirty these were. Okay, well, we'll be back here in the morning. We'll see you then. Hey, good morning everybody. So we're back at our driveway pool deck here this morning. We already went and sanded. We did our blow off, our final blow off with the sand. Double checked everything. Everything's good to go. So we'll walk around and show you. These things already have a shine on them right now. We got everything cleaned off of them. So. Got our mixing station all set up here, ready to start putting some Cat 5 together. Alright, now we just had to do a final blow off on the back pool deck, but everything's set up here as well. So okay, so we're almost ready to put some Cat 5 down on this baby. Stand by. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. I'll walk you around and show you. Look at that. Hurricane Cat 5. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, and here's the pool deck. So, still drying right now, but boy, just absolutely beautiful. Okay, so we're all wrapped up. It's Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. These are the kind of results you're looking for in your pavers. You have any questions, you have any issues, please reach out, give us a call, 813-853-3557, or visit us on our website at www.supremetapabay.com. All right, we will see you at the next job.